Hello everyone. Myself Masum Kamal Ferdous Barwaya. I have been working as an engineer at Madras Technoconcept Limited for around 3 years. So today I have came for this DTR inspections for the site of Bisingcha Part 2 under Hailakandi ESD. So my project is Assam RDSS project, which comes under Government of India under Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme under Ministry of Power to control the ADCL losses. So for today I pay for this DTR. So before I choose the rating of the DTR, let's check how I can directly get 63 kV DTR. So let's check this DTR. I will show how I can directly compute the point that is 63 kV DTR. Here we can see that there are only two radiators in this DTR. So for the two radiators in a DTR is 63 kV DTR, and for 100 kV DTR, spell numbers of four types of four radiators are there. Radiator is for the cooling for the transformer. And for 25 kV, there is one radiator here in 25 kV radiator. And 250 kV radiator is 5 into 3 types of radiator. In 5 and 3 radiator are there. So before the site inspection, we directly check for the critical points of the radiator transformer.